Hey, full throttle kind of guy coming at you, late night video. It's gonna be a quick one. Hey, if you have a dark colored car or black car like I got, you're gonna know the pain point of going to the car wash or washing your car in your driveway, doing whatever, chasing them stupid water spots. That could be such a pain in the petunias. Here's a secret weapon on fighting those gnarly little drops and from ruining your pretty finish on your car. Over the weekend, it was Father's Day. Happy belated Father's Day to all the dads out there. Hey, anyways, Harbor Freight had a special. You can get their battery, charger, and a 5-amp battery. It was like 80 bucks, something like that. A lot of bang for your buck. Well, they have the leaf blowers that are also battery powered too, for like 49 bucks and change. And in Oregon, there's no tax, so hey, even better. So get yourself one of these with a little 5-amp battery on it. And let me tell you what, man, does it make a difference. Blows up to 96 miles an hour. A fury. And let me tell you what, the results speak for themselves. All I had was my one Harbor Freight 16 by 16 cloth, and you can see there's a little schmutz on it, as they say in Yiddish. But again, look at it, and that's factory original paint. And man, this car has seen some things. So it's not the best car in the world paint-wise, but it's the best car that I've had with paint in the past, I don't know, however many years, other than my Trailblazer there. But going to beaches tomorrow, so hey, if you're in Portland, you're by the Portland International Raceway, from like 3 to 8, something like that, for only a whopping $5 a head. You too can get in the beaches and hang out. Anywhere from 300 to 500 cars and motorcycles may show up. So hey, make the most of your summer. Make it an endless summer. Come hang out at beaches. Come meet me. Come meet other content creators as well too. So looking forward to you showing up. If not, hey, catch you on the flip side. But again, here's a little quick tip. Dark car, get a leaf blower, battery powered one. And hey, that'll save you a lot of grief, a lot of headache. Look at that thing, just shimmering and shining in the night. Just waiting for the trees to sap it up and ruin it all over again. I've washed this car I don't know how many times, man, but dude, it's an obsession now. Frickin' paint. Anyways, love you guys. Thanks for stopping on by. Give me a like, make a comment, subscribe. Hey, talk to you guys later. See you on the flip side. Maybe I'll get you some content from beaches. Who knows? Mahalo. Laters.